just picked up some potting soil over here at Green Coast Hydroponic Store. This is one of my favorite potting soil mix. So this is my personal preference for my plants, my trees, my the plants that I sell, and then I still add some more amendments in the soil on top of this. So anyhow, let's go. I'm gonna go pick up a couple more plants because I'm going to a housewarming party, also called Halloween party, and I'm going to do like an edible arrangement to gift. I'm on a time crunch today, but going through a little bit of traffic, so why not just have a chat with you guys. When it comes to plant arrangement, you're putting multiple plants in one pot, which means you would need to think about how much water and sunlight each of these plants need, and you'd have to put them in more, the ones that are more similar together. I asked my friend, which direction is her balcony facing, and she said it's east facing. That means it's getting more morning sun, not super intense sunlight. So I think I'm going to be picking out maybe a leafy greens, and hopefully there would be some kind of flowers that can do part sun, part shade. Because if I put something that's more requiring full sun, especially like flowers that require full sun, they're not going to bloom as much, or they might stretch just because they're trying to reach for more sunlight than the home that you're giving them. Okay, let's see what the nursery has for us. Can't forget my hat. How lovely it is that I'm being greeted by this fountain area, this pond. I'm at the edible herbs section right now, and look at these beautiful yarrow. You can make tea out of this. Look at that. All the bees are out. I found these Japanese parsley. This would be perfect. Part sun, part shade. Leafy greens, perennial. This is going to be, I think these are really pretty. Don't they look like new ashitabe leaves, like the baby ashitaba? If you want to find out how much sun these plants require, look, all the stuff that are in full sun are in full sun, and the stuff that are in shade or part shade are in the shade section. So these, Japanese parsleys are from the shade section. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is a star fruit, you guys. It can grow so well in small, like even container gardens. So this is awesome. Let me give you guys a look at this. Look, you guys, such great sized fruits. Oh my goodness. This tree is only, I'm gonna say like 8 feet or 9 feet max. And it's growing in just like a 15-gallon pot. Oh, look what I found. This is a Japanese, Korean, and some parts of China also eat this vegetable. Looks like the way to prepare this requires a bit of work, so I'll have to do more research to find out, but this is called a fuki. So cool. I'm gonna have to pick this up.
Yeah. And the 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 plants is $2. You want to pay by card or?
By card, please.
Okay,
Thank
I come
you.
back.
Okay. Check out all these plants I got. I cannot wait to get these in the ground and gotta put this together. I really gotta get going. Gotta hurry. I need to put this together and then start putting my dressed up. Gotta start dressing up for the party. Alright. Okay, let's see what I'm gonna do. I am going to be putting one of the violas in here, or viola. And ornamental kale, which is actually edible. Okay, let's get this done. Okay, and then let's remove these dry, dead leaves. And just throw them back into the soil because they're gonna compost anyway. That's good. Okay, this is the Japanese parsley. I love that it's a perennial. And it looks like baby ashitaba leaves. I guess I should break this up, I forgot. Okay, just break this up a bit. Break it up. There we go. It's got some nice root system here. Sometimes they don't have a good root system because they try to do cuttings really fast to sell. This one has really nice roots, so it's really good. So when I'm putting plants together, what I usually like to do is find contrast in colors of leaves and flowers and texture. Usually if I want to do something more similar, like a monochromatic scheme, maybe very similar shades of color to be more like this elegant look, I still would want to look for something that has texture that's different. So maybe a more silvery blue shade green pairing with white flowers and very green colored leaves, different contrasts like that. Or I can do really playful things with pops of different colors, like a red, like a, maybe say it's autumn themed, it could be like yellow, red, orange flowers, you know, and some like deep purple leaves or something. So it just depends on what kind of vibe I'm trying to go with, like a more fun or elegant look. But in this case, the most thing I'm concerned about is that I can give her something that has like, there's two perennials here, so it's more like for longevity of this pot, and then this annual flower, so they're edible and they'll be kind of fun in a salad. And it's okay that I have one edible since the rest are going to be perennials anyway. I think I'm gonna do an orange, that'd be kind of fun for Halloween right now. And a purple. And again, I love the violas, you know, having this purple color, kind of echoing the purple in the kale. All right, it's good enough. Time to get the soil in. So this is going to be her housewarming present And I know we talked about getting her patio going, you know, when she's more settled in, and we'll have to go out there and make a video and hang out with you guys, like take you guys along to do that too. So anyway, so I gotta like finish this up and dress up and head out. So I think this is pretty fun. It could be like a nice conversation piece too, because it's a more unique herb I got in here, you know, like the Japanese parsley that I think not a lot of people will know about, and then this ornamental kale all of a sudden you've seen in Disneyland and certain places that actually have them as ornamentals, but it's like, what? It's edible too, you know, that's really awesome. And flowers are edible too. Okay, so there he goes. Just need to water this and we're good to go. Okay. The thing about delivering this is that I want to give them just a bit of a drink so they will come out more perky. Even missed this, but I would not want to overwater this because there's drainage in this pot. I definitely don't want to make it really messy on the ride there. So I think this is a really fun way to, you know, make your gift really personalized for someone. You can, you know, pick out their favorite colors or plants, or really customize it to the spot that they want to put it in. You know, in this case it's east facing, so these would I think hopefully violas are okay, and definitely I think the parsley would be good. This kale, I'm picturing it being like it's going to grow into a little tree, so it's going to be tall, so there would be like a height variation in here. And yeah, I think this would be a really fun gift for customized present for someone for the holiday season that's coming around actually. Or I think housewarming, birthdays. Thank you so much. You guys look beautiful. So there it is. And I just happen to have one of these old ornamental decoration seed pot thingy, but it kind of looks like a pumpkin to me, so I think I'm going to just put it here as a little ornament. He's looking at himself.
Yeah, he's like, oh man, we're doing a photo shoot.